Сейчас выполним.
Thank you guys.
Выходи красиво.
Are you still enjoying the show? Yes or no? Yes, louder, louder. Okay. You don't want to applaud. Now that's better. So, let's continue. And now is about to come on stage Karina Karnicka from Latvia, and she will perform the song Let It Rain. Please, welcome.
Barefoot on broken glass, each day brings the other past. These skies they fade away, disappear this time, this time. I'm ready for it all, I won't let it go. My eyes open wide, I'm feeling my skin, I'm watching your way. Can you see it in my eyes? It's so clear, everywhere. So let's slip away, we're winning our day. Let it, let's rain. No breath, breathe into me. Your eyes, the words in my lips. I reach out your side, so close. I feel it touch my neck, my head. I'm ready for it all, I won't let it go. My eyes open wide, I feel my skin, I'm watching your way. Can't you see it in my eyes? It's something everywhere. So let's slip away, we're living our day. Let it, let's rain. Let it flow. Let it wash away all the things that cause I'm holding it all. Crash, let your hands down. There's a scene that's from the heavens, it's coming out. I'm ready for it all, I won't let it go. Eyes open wide, I'm feeling my skin, I'm watching your way. Can you see it in my eyes? Something everywhere. So let's slip away, we're living our day. Let's Oh my, Karina, now it's raining here. Please, welcome on stage Prima Victoria with the song Россия моя. She is from Russia. Big applause. Don't fear.